my channel. I'm Holly and I am here with a mint mongoose unbagging. I just found this. I said it somewhere and I forgot that she even mailed it to me. So first and foremost, my apologies to Helena. I'm so very sorry. I did not mean to misplace this. I've been rearranging in my filming room and I forgot. I'm so sorry. So I'm going to unbag this right now and get it up promptly. So, new packaging. New packaging. It's flat. Okay, so we're gonna get this up and get going. There's something else in here. Something else is in here. Oh, the piece of candy, okay. And I think that's it now. Yep, that's it. All right. Maybe we should do smaller. We did that, so it should be smaller envelopes too. Might save a little bit of money. Anyway, okay, this is a new thing. We've got new packaging, Magical Mongoose. So it's not Mint Mongoose anymore. It's Magical Mongoose. As we close in on our third year of sending monthly goodies to stellar ladies worldwide, we took some time to look for ways we could improve. One area that stood out was our packaging. While sweet pillow boxes will always hold a special place in our heart, we have decided to make the switch from our beloved pillow box to a fun floral embossed rigid envelope that will offer more protection to your pieces as they make their way to you each month. Don't worry, our mint ribbon wax seals are here to stay. We hope you are as excited as we are about the change. Oh, okay, well that explains that. I'm probably all late to dinner and stuff, you know, I don't know. You know, probably everybody has already showed you this and I'm just all late and, you know. But anyway, here we go. Let's open this up. If you don't know anything about Mint Mongoose, well, that's what I'm here for. Mint Mongoose is a jewelry subscription service, and it is $12 a month. Or you can get Mint Mongoose Black, which I was receiving for a while, and that is $29 a month. It's more expensive than the $12 a month. So, okay, I didn't even show you that. I should probably show you that. But anyway, when you open it up, you open this up, and then there's a little wrapped tissue paper in there, and that is all that's in there. And then we're going to open this up. I kind of do appreciate the new packaging because I don't know how many times I received my other in the pillow box, and it was just a mess, a hot mess. So I'm kind of appreciating that. And then you get a card inside there and it says, yay, it's here. Be sure to share your photos or videos of your new favorite Mint Mongoose jewelry pieces with the hashtag Mint Mongoose to be entered to win a free month. Okay, and the first piece we have is actually a really cool bracelet, which you can't see very well in the packaging, so we're going to open it when I figure that part out. Okay, there we go. Oh, well that is very pretty. Let me put it on here so you can see that. It is black and white marbled with a little rose gold in there. That's very pretty. Let's see. Oh, I should have probably put it on my other wrist. I have a tattoo on that wrist and it's kind of, might have been distracting, but there it is. It's very pretty. I don't think that that's stones. I don't think it's just, what do you call it now? Usually, all of the jewelry goes together. It all matches in some way, shape, or form. So we're going to see if that's the case here. And these are, looks like earrings. Yep, these are earrings. Let's see. I have so much jewelry, so I probably will end up doing some sort of giveaway with these. I probably will not put these in my ears because I just don't normally, change my jewelry. Yeah, these are just gold, gold balls. They're gold balls. They match the gold ball in the bracelet. So I'm going to show you the gold balls. Come on now. Let's go. There we go. There's the, and it matches the gold ball right here. There's the gold. Come on now, you are being a pain right in my buns. And put them on here. Maybe that'll be better. Help you out there. I don't know if that's working any better or not, but I don't know. Anyway, there's the goldness of them. Very pretty. They remind me of Christmas, Christmas decoration, you know, like Christmas bulbs you hang on a Christmas tree. That's what it reminds me of, Christmas bulbs. Okay, and we have one more thing in our bag. Like I said, this will probably be going in a giveaway. I gotta do a giveaway on my channel here soon. Let's do a couple of them. And it looks like it's going to be a necklace. Oh, definitely going in a giveaway. Oh wow, this is very pretty. Very pretty necklace. Wow, she stepped up her game. Wowee. All right, Helena, you have turned into boss mode here. What is going on here? All right, let's see if we can do this on here. All right, let's see. We're gonna try and do it this way. There is the necklace. Isn't that just so cute? And it matches the bracelet. There's the bracelet there. Oh, there we go. Sorry about that. There is the necklace, and there's the back side of the necklace. Trying to show you both sides of it. There's the clasp, and there is the little Mint Mongoose stamp on there. All right, you stupid necklace. Hold still. There's the clasp. Oh my goodness, this necklace is giving me a time. All right, now you're gonna hold still and do what I say. There we go. Maybe not. It's all for now. I always take close-up pictures of the necklace, so if you can't see it, there'll be close-up pictures of it at the end of the video. But there is the necklace and the earrings. And like I said, these will probably go in a giveaway. So be looking for a giveaway video. A couple of them actually, because we need to get rolling on some giveaway videos. Come on. All right. Think you jerk. Get up there. All right. Now I'm trying to get the necklace and the earrings together. All right. So there's the necklace and the earrings. See if I can put, there we go. Necklace, the earrings, and the bracelet. So there is the whole set that I got from Mint Mongoose. And it is very pretty. It's just that I will never wear it. It will just sit here in, it will just sit here. So this will be going in a giveaway. So that is it for this video. And if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, consider hitting the subscribe button down below, because you never know when I'm going to do a giveaway. And if you want to sign up for Mint Mongoose, I'll leave the link below as well. And I forgot what else I was going to say. Oh my gosh, I've been doing that a lot these days. There's so much that I keep wanting to say, and I keep forgetting what to say. Anyway, okay. Darn it! Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and watch out for a giveaway video, because that's coming real soon. There's a couple of those coming real soon. I don't put it in the title though, because I feel like people just watch for those and they only subscribe long enough to be in on the giveaway. And that ain't me. I don't like doing that. So anyway, that's it, my friends. I will see you in my next video real soon, and I'll let you look at it one more time. Not bad for $12 a month, really. That's pretty nice jewelry. Anyway, I will see you in my next video.